Camera is an internal security camera with every setting you want. It'll come with instructions, and it does work. It's brand new. I've sprayed it black to match, and the hat light is like one of those hotel bedside lights you get. The earth I've put attached to the defogger, so anything you touch around the dial of breath or J-tube or oral-nasal or even the side block will turn it from low, medium to high and then off. And you can move the light wherever you want. Same with the camera. If they do get a little bit loose, I just put a bit of super glue in those brackets there, in there, just so that you can stiffen that up. But at the moment they're fine. So you can't really see the lead once you've done it as I said. And there you have it. The desk light, as well as a security camera, and quite a blingy ornament. You could put an internal light in it, but I think it was getting a bit too fussy if I did that. No man cave is complete without it, really.